Welcome to your Animal Exploration Virtual Field Trip. This video is to help you understand a little better how to navigate our site. So the page you're looking at right now is our home page. At the bottom of each page, you will see a home icon that will take you back to this page so you can watch this tutorial video or check out the educator's guide, and it just gets you back to the beginning. Notice that on each one of our pages, we have a play button next to our directions. So if you want to listen to us instead of read the directions yourself, that is there for you to help your students who are still learning to read. Parents and teachers, the educator's guide, there's a link right here to it. It is a great resource that gives you a little more detail about what we're doing on each page. So you might want to have this pulled up as you are walking through the field trip with your student. At the bottom of each page, we also have a tool icon. When you click on that, it takes you to the Teacher Tools page. There is also the Educator's Guide, this tutorial video, the Ahas and Hms tutorial video, and it also takes you to the Student Field Notes Journal where it explains in more detail how you navigate your student field notes. I'm going to go back to home. So as you navigate through the site, we have left and right arrows for you. So when you get to the bottom of a page, you'll just click the right arrow. That will take you to the next page of the site. Anytime you see this yellow notebook, this is your Student Field Notes Journal, and it is to signal that you need to give back to your Field Notes Journal. The first time you click on this, it takes you to see if you want to make a copy. You will hit yes, make a copy, and that will take you to your own copy of the Field Notes Journal where there is a tutorial video to explain how to navigate that. This is your Ahas and Hms button that will take you to a Nearpod board to capture your learning, and there's a tutorial video to explain that in a little more detail as well. Any other time you see this yellow notebook, it is just going to be a link to take you to Google Drive. We thought this would be the easiest way. If you have clicked out of the tab at the top and your Field Notes Journal is no longer up there, it'll just take you quickly to your Google Drive, and hopefully your Field Notes Journal will be up there at the top for recents. So on this site, most pictures do have a link to them. So all of these pictures, if you click on it, you can see at the bottom that it's going to say go to link, and it's going to take you to the San Diego Zoo's live cams for each of these animals. So make sure you're clicking on those. Okay. We also have a lot of videos embedded into the site, so you can simply hit play and it will play it right here on the page for you. Here's some more videos that you're going to watch. Click this icon to take you to Flipgrid. You're going to have to enter the code 111 for our specific classes Flipgrid page. You'll watch this video of Miss Emily and I talking about the first two questions, and then you will hit the plus button, and it will pop up a recording for you to make your own video to post. So there's a lot of links. Make sure you're clicking on everything, which we usually say click on the link to the side. Each one of these pictures also has links in it as well, so just be looking out for that very carefully. Again, make note of when you're seeing your yellow Field Notes Journal. And that is about it. Like I said, anytime you get on a page and you're not sure where you are, you can hit home and it will take you back to the beginning. Or you can look here at the top, take note of what the name or the title of the page that you're on is, and you can see the names of each one right here at the top to help you navigate. So I hope this video is helpful. Have fun on your virtual field trip exploring animals.